So I was looking yesterday how to adjust the color in DaVinci Resolve. Wade through, I don't know how much time it took to get to it. So we're getting right to it. I'm getting right to it after a minute. Doesn't make sense. You need to click the clip you want to change color on, and then you can tweak it. You can use your dials. You can use your histogram, custom curve, whatever. There's also a way to look at then that I forgot how to turn on the different scopes, like the vector scope, waveform. One dude likes the vector scope, or what? No, he said he liked the. I don't remember waveform. And he explained the scale too. He was more in depth. He said blacks are down here near 0, and full on bright is up here in the 1023 area. So you can use that to see where your scales go. As you see, it comes down. Kind of interesting how that changed the graphic above, but you start seeing where you're getting washed out if you do it that way. And then the one scope, this looks like it has all the colors together. There's a scope, the waveform, or could have swore it was a vector scope, but I'm wrong. Yeah, the parade. Sorry, parade. You have your red, green, and blue in order. And then, too, you know as well as I do, if you're into this, red, green, and blue, man, the primary colors makes up every color. In fact, that's how TVs were made for years, with primary colors, red, green, and blue, guns on CRTs, and that's translated down into here. Thing I think is interesting is in graphics, you can do a lot of different things. Like you'll see yellow here, illuminance, red, green, blue. But generally, that's how you get you can get effects with that, and not even have effects. Anyway, I wanted to show it real quick.